Good afternoon. After a weekend that brought us a lot of sunshine and also some record-breaking heat where we saw up to 33 degrees on both Sunday and Bank Holiday Monday, making it the hottest bank holiday on record. Things, of course, are now changing as we look into our week ahead. By the end of the week, we'll be down at least 10 degrees typically in terms of the temperatures. For many though, 23 a more comfortable high, and there will still be some sunshine around. But we do have some rain to contend with in the shorter term in the form of thunderstorms as things become increasingly unsettled with a plume of showers moving up across a central swathe of the UK, particularly through the evening though and into the early part of the night across eastern England. We could see some real humdingers developing actually across the northeast of England with an inch plus 30 millimetres of rain falling in a short space of time, also clipping into eastern Scotland before pulling offshore during the small hours of Wednesday. But generally quite a lot of rain and cloud piling across the UK for first thing on Wednesday. It's going to be a very different looking start to the day tomorrow. Still very warm and muggy in the east. Here we are Wednesday morning, misty, murky, grey, rain around in many areas, mostly patchy for central and eastern areas, some heavier bursts in the west. And this marks the weather front coming through, the much talked about weather front that is the boundary line, if you like, between the warm humid air and the fresher conditions that we will move into for the remainder of the week. Cooler though, even with all the cloud around on Wednesday across the eastern side of the UK. Temperatures 25, 26, but still quite humid. For the end of the week though, the front is through. We open up the gate to the Atlantic again and in come the areas of low pressure for Thursday and Friday. It's looking quite windy across the UK and we'll see some rain towards the north and west. Still pretty dry though, with sunshine across many parts of England and Wales, just feeling considerably cooler with temperatures, as I said, perhaps in the low to mid 20s. Some sunny spells still possible for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but perhaps quite a wet story throughout the latter part of the week for the west of Scotland. You can see the fronts tend to stall here and the rainfall totals will continue to add up. Still lacking rain though, sadly, for farmers and growers to the south and east of the UK. And here are our temperatures as promised in the low to mid 20s.